But Squaresoft is the king of video games. Secret of Mana, Chrono Trigger, Final Fantasy VII. The list goes on. I think I'm gonna write him a letter. Let's go.
But you don't blow it off. I've been a fan of your brand since the very start. Played every game from Final Fantasy to Kingdom Hearts. There's just a few things that I really want to say. I really hope you don't take my words the wrong way. I gotta let you know I rock with y'all the long way. When I was growing up, I played them games all day. So I felt compelled to write y'all a little letter filled with suggestions on how to do better. Treat the fans good, then you make that cheddar. But when you make us mad, then we hold that vendetta. Take a look at Final Fantasy number 7. Everything about it was ridiculously epic. Instead of making games like FF11, a sequel to 7, that's my suggestion. And let me tell you what would even be bigger. If you made a real sequel to Chrono Trigger. I know a lot of fans that would love to spend cash just to get the chance to do another X/Slash. And while we talking about them games from the past, Secret of Mana needs to come back fast. Not another re-release for the iPad. Give us something different, not the same thing we had. Bring back villains like Sephiroth and Kefka. Swear to God, those were the best villains ever. Give us more boss battles like Ruby Weapon. They could wipe the floor with us in any given second. You should make Cloud as a character in Tekken. Maybe redesign all the front mission mechas. Make a new game, co-develop with Sega. Or better yet, Capcom, all about Vega. Bring back Super Mario Roleplay with a soundtrack co-produced by Coldplay. Or you could even sample saxophones from Coltrane. I miss the games we used to play back in the day. Make an open world game like Elder Scrolls. Or maybe make an MMO based on Game of Thrones. I'd like to see an RPG about The Walking Dead. You wanna make bread, then you gotta think ahead. As I close out this long, heartfelt letter, I really think you guys could treat your fans a little better. Remember when your lawyer shut down Crimson Echoes? It really made your business look like corporate devils. I just wanna see Squaresoft on top again. Listen to the fans, that's the way you gotta win. I want the old Squaresoft back, I really mean it. That's why I never called you guys Squaresoft.